Hi, chicken nuggets. For those that like to look ahead and just want more information about this, I figured I would go ahead and record something real quick. So I put this together. It might be incorrect in some spots. I'm going to go back and fix it. But basically, because of the time crunch, we still have to do our CPAs this quarter. I don't want to stress anybody out. Therefore, I'm kind of recycling stuff that we did on the previous CPAs and kind of adding to it, but not by much. It's just going to be the same thing, transportation, home, and community. Just to see where you guys are language-wise. This is not going to be graded, okay? But we still need to do them because all of this information gets bumped up to our higher ups to see how you guys are doing in not only ASL but in all the other languages. So we're going to do quarter one CPA review, transportation, home, and community. Mode expressive, so you guys are going to be signing a response back. I will sign, okay, so you will receptively see the message, and then expressive, you guys will be answering my prompt via signed videos. Kind of like you guys do your warm-up for Flipgrids, exactly like that. Okay, although you guys already know these are really great to show me back channeling. What do I mean by that? It shows that you're actively listening and engaging. And I know it's going to be a different format since I said you guys are going to be signing your responses back via what I have for prompts, but this is still really good so you guys can show me that you're actively engaged and listening. Or if you didn't catch something, make it known in the video like, okay, I follow you, I see what you're signing, I just don't understand you. So how would you negotiate that if it were a live person-to-person conversation? Okay, so I'm just going to sign these real quick. I added that one, that was sign again. And I'll just quickly go through some of these. This should be review. So, for instance, this slide, you guys have practiced this before. Greeting, going from A, B conversation, A, B, going back and forth in a conversation. So, okay, and these should all be review again. I'm going to go through them starting at the top, okay, and then just going down the line like this. Okay, next line. Next line. an answer. I reverse those, so do the reverse. This is you, this is your. Sorry about that. Okay, and these are the WH questions. And more prompts. Okay, and I'm going to stop there, cut this video off, and then upload a second part. I know that went by fast, but these should be pretty easy for you guys. If not, please make sure that you're reviewing.